Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 1500. Price $9,500. Well-maintained full-size pickup presented in good overall condition, with a clean title in hand. It has 111,232 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth and reliable performance for daily driving or light-duty work. The truck features a classic white exterior complemented by a gold interior, giving it a distinctive and timeless look. The engine has been rebuilt and runs strong, providing confidence and dependability for its next owner. It is reported to be ready for any inspection or test drive. The interior has been well cared for and remains in good condition, showing pride of ownership throughout. In addition, the truck sits on great tires and wheels that enhance both its appearance and drivability. The paint presents nicely, adding to the vehicle's overall clean and solid presentation. Overall, this 1998 Chevrolet 1500 stands as a dependable and well-kept pickup that is ready to be driven and enjoyed. Number 2. 1993 Ford F150. Price $9,000. The truck comes with 144,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. This truck has had no accidents, and the title is in hand. This single-owner truck has been well kept and properly maintained throughout its life. It runs strong and serves reliably as a daily driver. The heat and air conditioning work great, ensuring comfort in all seasons. It is equipped with dual fuel tanks for extended driving range, along with a new water pump, new hoses, and new belts for added reliability. The truck also features an AM/FM radio and a CB radio mounted in the cab. It sits on Goodyear Wrangler tires with plenty of good tread remaining. Number 3. 1996 Ford F150. Price $9,000. It has been well cared for and continues to run strong. With 220,000 miles on the odometer, it is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine, delivering the durability and performance the F-150 is known for. The truck features a green exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look that still stands out today. Mechanically, this truck is in great running condition. It has recently been updated with a brand new set of tires, a new front gas tank, a new water pump, and a new windshield, ensuring improved reliability and peace of mind for the next owner. The previous owner purchased the truck approximately 4 months ago and drove it home on a 4-hour trip without experiencing any issues, further proving its dependable performance on longer drives. Number 4. 2000 Chevrolet S10. Price $6,995. Solid and reliable midsize pickup powered by a 4.3 L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 140,000 miles and runs and drives well, offering a smooth ride. The air conditioning blows cold and the heater works perfectly, making it comfortable in any season. This truck comes in a red exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. While there are some clear coat imperfections on the paint, it still presents well overall and remains a great-looking truck. It has been upgraded with brand new wheels and tires, adding to both its appearance and performance. This S10 would make an excellent daily driver or a solid project for someone looking to take it to the next level. Number 5. 2001 Chevrolet S10. Price $4,500. Comes with 125,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior paired with a black interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a reliable 2.2-liter 4-cylinder engine, this truck runs well and has recently received a fresh oil change and tune-up, along with new spark plugs and wires. It is paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. The air conditioning blows cold, as the system was just recharged and fitted with an updated high-side Schrader valve, while the heater works perfectly thanks to a new heater core and fresh coolant. Inside, the truck includes a rear jump seat, and it still retains the factory jack and spare tire. With a clean title in hand, this S10 is ready for its next owner. Number 6. 1998 GMC 2500. Price $5,500. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, it has 250,000 miles on the odometer and continues to run and drive well. Known for its durability and capability, this Sierra 2500 is built to handle both daily driving and tougher jobs with confidence. The truck features a classic white exterior that presents nicely, paired with a well-kept beige interior that remains in impressive condition for its age. The cabin shows careful ownership, offering a clean and comfortable space for both driver and passengers. It has recently been gone through, thoroughly cleaned, and fully serviced, ensuring it is ready to hit the road without hesitation. With a clean title in hand, this 1998 GMC 2500 stands as a solid, dependable 4x4 pickup that is ready for its next owner. Number 7. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,695. The truck is equipped with a 4.3 L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 156,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in black, this short wheelbase truck presents itself as a solid and affordable daily driver option. It runs and drives great, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. The truck is rust-free, which is a strong advantage for its age. The paint on the hood and roof shows wear and has visible scratches, but overall it maintains a respectable appearance. Inside, the seat remains in good condition, while the dashboard is cracked and damaged around the radio area. Despite this, the radio functions properly. The air conditioning and heater are operational, though they only work on the highest fan setting. Number 8. 1992 Ford Ranger, price $4,250. This truck comes equipped with a 2.3-liter engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a reliable and engaging driving experience. It features a gray exterior matched with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Recently, several important components have been replaced, including new front brakes and rotors, spark plugs, ignition wires, wheels and tires, and a new fuel pump. The truck starts, runs, and drives great. The air conditioning system will need to be recharged. Overall, this Ranger would make a perfect work truck for someone looking for a dependable and practical vehicle. Number 9. 1997 Chevrolet S10, price $4,000. With just 167,000 miles and a strong 4.3 L V6 engine, it features a newly installed AC system that blows cold air with hot heat, and it sits on sporty IROC Z28 wheels for a sharp look. This truck comes equipped with an upgraded audio system, including two 12-inch Kicker CVT subwoofers in a ported box, a 1,600-watt amplifier, and a double DIN head unit that delivers loud, clear sound. Recent work includes a new radiator, a new transmission still under warranty through June, and new intake manifold gaskets. It has LED headlights, new tail lights, and has been consistently maintained with full synthetic oil changes every 4,000 miles. Receipts are available for all completed work. Number 10. 1986 Ford F150, price $6,000. It has 150,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, finished in blue with a matching blue interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by the legendary 300 inline-6 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring a granny low first gear. The truck includes power steering and power brakes, though it was not equipped with factory air conditioning. Recent maintenance includes fresh oil changes, all new filters, a new battery, radiator, tune-up, for new tires, a new exhaust manifold and gasket, spark plugs, and a fuel pump. It starts easily, features a 1-barrel carburetor, and performs especially well on ethanol-free gas. The truck comes with its original owner's manuals and remains mostly original, aside from the removed rubber floor mat and an updated radio.